Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maternity Guide. Today we will talk about a topic, constipation during pregnancy. The problem of constipation is often seen during pregnancy and it is not a coincidence, but there are many different reasons behind it. According to medical science, a hormone called progesterone increases during pregnancy, which also affect the normal functioning of the intestine, and due to this there is a complaint of constipation. Apart from this, reduced physical activity during pregnancy, change in diet and increasing pressure on the intestine during pregnancy can also play a role in causing constipation. That's why pregnant women who are not having the problem of constipation, they should also take care of these things. Number first, drink plenty of water. It is necessary for the body to get adequate amount of water during pregnancy, and it is necessary not only for the mother but also for the child growing in her womb. Sometimes lack of water can also increase the problem of constipation. On the other hand, if you are already constipated, drinking more water will help your intestine to function properly. It is very important to drink 8 to 12 glasses of water during pregnancy. Number second, fiber diet for constipation. If there is a problem of constipation, then it is very important to take care of diet. Focus on more and more fiber foods in your diet. Dietary fiber softens the stool, making it easier to pass through the intestine. Also, fiber foods are also good for your digestive system, and also this is reduce the risk of constipation to a great extent. Number third, do physical activities. Do not allow the body to be sedentary during pregnancy, and doing so not only causes constipation but can also lead to other pregnancy related problems. Keep doing yoga, walking and other light activities daily as per the advice of the doctor. By doing this, your digestive system will continue to work normally and the effect on the intestine will also be reduced to a great extent. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.